Million Scoville value. Can you read that? Can I keep my... Yeah.
Why you got garlic?
Look at this garlic. So whoever chews, we're gonna lick the spoon first, which is death. And then whoever chews the garlic the longest after licking the spoon wins the contest.
I don't think I could do this, man.
Without spitting it out.
There's no water for miles! No.
Stop and do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Do it! Do it! Do it! The whole thing! Do it! Do it! I'm winning! It's so hot. Just do it. You man up! Man up! I'm doing it! It's in my eyes!
I'm such a wuss. This is what happens when you do stupid things.
Down on my lips. Yes! To the garlic. What? Oh. Screw you, garlic! Screw you, spoon! The birds! The birds! The birds! The birds! The birds! The birds! I'm gonna jump right onto that spiky tree. Hey, look, there's like water! Precious water! So, this is horrible. I need water. Look at me. It's in between my gums. My sinuses. It burns. Look at my shin shake. Look at it.
Where are you jogging to, Mr. Rogers' neighborhood?
I'm not talking. I'm gonna die.
You got a humongous amount of hot sauce under your pants.
But I don't care. I would have to say I won that contest.
I'd say so too.
That was gross. Yeah. I don't think you can see the pain.
You need to feel the power.
That is gross. Wipe the snot off your face. Okay. I think we can stop filming. The bomb wins.